Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. We got Tyler out front with his K20 or C20. And today we're going to do the whole undercoating. All right, we're going to do the inside first. So we got the mats out. We're going to take the seat out right now. All it is 4 bolts. And then we're going to cover everything up that we don't want painted, and then we're gonna blow it out and then paint it up. So we'll cut to a time lapse of that, and then you'll see that. Before paint, we got everything masked off. The lines are gonna be good. It's kind of gonna be hard to work with. We're gonna start painting, so you'll see a time lapse now. All right, we got the inside all sprayed off. It took 4 cans of bed liner, and it turned out pretty good, but we gotta let it dry. And then we're gonna start painting the underside with an undercoat. We have, I think, 6 cans of that, so there should be plenty to get the underside done. And once this dries a little bit, probably in 10 minutes, we'll take all the plastic off, and we'll see how it looks in here, and then we're gonna let it dry for like over an hour before we put the seat back and get everything done. But it's coming along nice. We do the bottom part of the doors. We gotta put the speakers back in, and then the whole bottom, all this stuff everywhere, covered up the glass and the dash. But I think it looks way better than the rust and blue and the holes poking through and everything. So here is the underside. You saw part of it already if you saw the video where we got the truck. So it's pretty rusty. I'll move the camera around in time lapse and follow as we do the whole undercoating. So let's get started with that. All right, guys, we got it all done pretty much. There were a couple little spots. We only had 4 cans, so a couple little spots that aren't finished, but we'll come back to it later. But we got the whole underside done. A lot of it's got to dry, but it went from a rust brown to a nice flat black, so it looks a lot better. Got the whole frame. The whole front and back axle looks way better. We got the leaf springs. This is my favorite spot.
Yeah, it definitely shows a difference.
Yeah, this is my favorite spot to look at. It shows a huge difference. It looks so much better than before. All right, we got the whole inside of the truck done. We got the seats back in. We got the speakers back in. We're replacing those. Those speakers look kind of stupid, and they don't even match. But we got the whole doors bed linered. I think it looks really good. All the metal stuff, but we're putting mats in here anyways. And then this was taped off. So we got the truck all done. It looks really good from before. So the start of restoring it starts now. And any work we're doing on the truck, we're gonna put on the channel. So I'm gonna make a whole playlist starting today. I'm gonna put that in the playlist. of the truck build so you can follow along with the whole build, even though this is the main one on the channel. My truck is. If this is your first time stopping in, go check my other videos where you see my truck, and then of course the white Duramax in there. So we got a ton of truck stuff coming. If you guys like trucks, definitely subscribe to the channel, like the videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, we're out.